Morning class. Today's recap lesson will be about angles. Who remembers the three different types of angles we discussed in class? Very good. If you answered acute angle, obtuse angle, and right angle, great job paying attention. Quick check for comprehension. Who can tell me how many degrees is in a right angle? Excellent. If you answered 90 degrees, you are 100% correct. Next question. Who can tell me the definition of an obtuse angle? Very good. If you answered greater than 90 degrees, you are 100% correct. Lastly, who can tell me the definition of an acute angle? Quick hint, the answer is right on the screen. If you answered less than 90 degrees, you are 100% correct. So first, let's explore the acute angle. An acute angle measures less than 90 degrees. That means the amount of turn between the two line segments that make the angle is less than 90 degrees. So the amount of turn between this top line segment and this bottom line segment is 45 degrees. Look at this second angle. The amount of turn between this top line segment and this bottom line segment is 33 degrees. Remember how we described it in class. Acute angle, look at that cute little angle. Look how small it is. The next angle we'll explore today is the obtuse angle. So remember, an obtuse angle measures greater than 90 degrees, but less than 180 degrees. And we'll figure out what that means at the end of this video. So take a quick look at this first angle. 116 degrees, greater than 90 degrees. Once again, that means the amount of turn or the amount of space in between those two line segments is greater than 90 degrees. So starting at this bottom line segment, the amount of turn or space until it takes to get to the next line segment is 116 degrees. Take a look at number 2. The amount of turn or the amount of space between these two rays, 112 degrees. Lastly, the angle that you all are most familiar with, the right angle. We also know those as being perpendicular lines. When two lines intersect to form a right angle, well, we know that those are perpendicular lines. So look at these 3 examples we have in front of us. 2 perpendicular lines, they make 4 right angles. 1 in every corner. Everyone do this with your hands. Good job. You just made an example of perpendicular lines. Look at this square. In every corner, you will see a right angle. Quick check for comprehension. How many degrees is a right angle? Good. If you said 90 degrees, you are correct. Bonus question. Who can tell me how many degrees are inside of this square? Well, if you take 90 degrees and you multiply by 4 because there are 4 angles inside of the square, you will get your answer. Or if you add 90 together 4 times. The last example you see is a right triangle. Remember, if you see one right angle inside of a triangle, you know that that is a right triangle. Now, the last angle that I want to explore with you guys today is called a straight angle. And guys, when I tell you it's exact like it sounds, a straight angle, straight line. Who can tell me how many degrees is a straight angle? Very good. If you answer 180 degrees, you are correct. Now, what do you think would happen if I take a straight angle and I divide it into 2 equal parts? Excellent. You'll get 2 right angles. 90 degrees on this side. And you can do the exact same thing on the other side. 2 90-degree angles equals 180 degrees. For your evidence, for your activity, I want you to take your camera and find some angles around your house. If you don't have access to a camera on my Google Classroom, you can also type about it. Look forward to seeing what you guys can find.